Hello, my name is Mariluz Acosta, Group 184. Talking about daily routine. My activities in the morning. I wake up at 6 a.m. I have a shower with cool water. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I prepare my breakfast. I start work. I also enjoy listening to music in English. My activities in the afternoon. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I call my boyfriend for 9 minutes and I call my daughter for 12 minutes. I finish my work. I start studying English class. Activities in the evening. I chat with my brothers and boyfriend. I watch the news at 7 p.m. I have dinner at 8 p.m. I brush my teeth. I thank God for one more day. And finally, I go to sleep again. Thank you so much. Bye bye.